Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talk about something every woman deserves: beautiful, confident and youthful hairstyles. If you are over 60 and have fine or thin hair, don't worry, because today's hairstyle will not only make your hair look fuller but also make you look younger and more stylish than ever. Let's begin. First we have the short layered bob. This classic style adds instant volume and volume movement to thin hair. The layers give body and bounce while the short length keeps it easy to manage. You can style it with a soft side part of view waves for a fresh modern look. Next is the pixie cut. This one is the favorite for women over 60. It's chic, easy to maintain and gives your hair a fuller appearance. You can go for a soft pixie with longer layers on top or a more textured one for a bold, confident vibe. Add a bit of mousse or spray, you ready to shine. Another great choice is the chin length bob. It frames your face beautifully and gives the illusion of thicker hair. You can wear it straight, slightly curled or even flipped out at the ends. This cut also helps lift your face shape, giving you a youthful and fresh appearance. If you love keeping some length, try the shoulder length shake. This hairstyle is light, airy and adds volume in all the right places. The soft layers and messy texture bring energy and movement, making thin hair look fuller and livelier. Now let's talk about bangs. Adding light bangs or side swept fingers can instantly soften your look and hide forehead lines. They also make your hairstyles appear thicker and more modern. Just make sure to keep them wispy and blended for a natural look. For women who prefer a low maintenance style, a textured crop is perfect. It's short, stylish and full of life. A little tousled texture makes thin hair look stylish while still being super easy to care for every day. Don't forget about color. A bit of highlight or lowlights can add depth and dimension, making your hair look thicker and shinier. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.